I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Today we are going to learn about safe food. Everyone's access to enough, safe, clean and nutritious food is key to sustaining life and promoting good health. Food containing harmful bugs such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungus or hazardous chemical substances is considered as unsafe. Unsafe food can cause more than 200 different types of diseases, from diarrhea to cancer. Around the world, an estimated 600 million people, almost 1 in 10 people, fall ill after eating contaminated food each year, resulting in 420,000 deaths and the loss of 33 million healthy life years. Safe food, nutrition, food security, and healthy nation are closely linked with each other. Unsafe food is associated with diseases and malnutrition, and it affects infants, young children, elderly, and the sick. In addition to contributing to food and nutrition security, a safe food supply also supports national economies, trade, and tourism, stimulating sustainable development, the collaboration of food trade, a growing world population, climate change, and rapidly changing food systems have an impact on the safety of food. Every country and every individual has a right to access safe food. The nations should prevent, detect, and respond quickly to health threats associated with unsafe food. What is so important about safe food? Foodborne diseases halt socioeconomic development of any country by harming national economy, tourism, trade, and straining healthcare system. It is difficult to establish relationship between unsafe food and illness. However, children under 5 years of age carry 40% of foodborne diseases burden, with 125,000 deaths every year. Benefits of safe food: the consumption and production of safe food have immediate and long-term benefits for people, the planet, and the economy. Safe food is essential to human health and well-being. Only food that is safe can be traded. Safe food allows for the uptake of nutrients and promotes long-term human development. When food is not safe, humans cannot develop and the sustained development goals cannot be achieved. Safe food preserves the environment. It helps to live longer, better immunity, lower risks of cancer, healthy bones, skin, teeth, and healthy weight. Unsafe or contaminated food leads to trade rejections, economic losses, food loss, and waste, while safe food production improves economic opportunities by enabling market access and productivity. Here are 5 basic key rules to avoid foodborne illnesses. The core message of the 5 keys to safer food are: keep clean, separate raw and cooked food, cook thoroughly, keep food at safe temperatures, use safe water and raw materials. Thank you very much for watching this video.